How to get rid of mold in the attic. One of the most common problems in homes is attic mold. Mold in attics is especially common in the spring when snow that has accumulated over the winter starts to melt and leak into homes through damaged roofs, windows, cracks and other openings. Since attics are full of cellulose-rich materials like wood, insulation and drywall, they provide the ideal environment for mold growth. Trying to remove attic mold yourself is not recommended, as the average homeowner has neither the experience nor the equipment to do the job safely. It is extremely important to wear heavy-duty safety gear and respirators, not just to prevent mold exposure, but also to protect against asbestos, which is still surprisingly common in attic insulation. Check out our real casework in an attic by comparing the before and after photos. So if you need attic mold removal, contact the certified mold experts at Moldbusters today. Call us at 1-877-566-6653.